What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, Pepe coin holders, I am back with another video for you guys. We can see Pepe looking pretty nice, you know, in a consolidation phase. Kind of up on the 1-day chart. We're going to dive into it and, dissect, break down Pepe, what I expect for it going into the bull market, the top of the bull cycle, my price prediction for 2025 on Pepe, and just how much potential gains could be in store for all of you Pepe holders, right? If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Pepe and myself will be in the description. Become a channel member, guys. We're sitting at 11 channel members. First link in the description to become a channel member and further support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Like the video, share the video, spread it out, share with all the Pepe community so we could just take over the space more so than we are now and spread even more weirdness. So when new people start to get into the space, man, what's the first thing they getting into? They getting into some Pepe, right? Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project in the space, guys. So let's take a look. Pepe right now sitting at $487 million in market cap. Again, like I said, getting in under that $500 million market cap is a great entry for Pepe. I'll explain why in a second. $77 million in 24-hour trade volume. Trade volume still awesome, right? Listed on Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, ton of volume on Binance, 18 million, 6 million, 4.6 million on KuCoin, hundreds of thousands on Kraken, hundreds of thousands on Gemini, and eventually in the future you could see the Coinbase listing happen for Pepe. I wouldn't rule it out at all. Now, why do I say 500 million market cap is a great, less than 500 million market cap is a great entry for Pepe? Well, because you have to do your math by the market cap of the project, right? Most people, I think, when they're new to the space, they don't judge off the market cap. They judge by, like, for example, the price and how much zeros can be, let's say, eaten, right? People are thinking about how many zeros a project can eat when they have a ton of zeros, right? Let's do it by market cap though, which is much more simpler, right? Since Pepe is just under $500 million in market cap, how much would be a 10x? So say, for example, you have $1,000 invested in Pepe and it is $500 million in market cap and it does a 10x. That would be $5 billion in market cap, which is not that crazy at all. That's super light work because Pepe already went to 1.8 billion in the, I would say the start of, like, the end of the, just that around the end of the bear market, right? Because we're pretty much in the start of the bull market now, because the bottom of Bitcoin was already in at 16,000. Bitcoin is not going back to $16,000 anytime soon, right? It's just gonna be consolidation until we finally get fresh new money into the space, institutions, Blackrock, these type of large major institutional investors, like the huge hedge funds, the stock market money. There's a ton of ETFs that are being filed right now, guys. So I'm telling you guys, a lot of projects follow Bitcoin and its price action. When Blackrock and all of these spot ETFs finally go live, which will probably happen in around the few months into the full bull run, right? It's gonna eventually happen. That's when you're gonna see Bitcoin start to explode, like to levels we've never seen before. So you could technically say Blackrock is gonna be pumping our Pepe backs, right? You could technically say that, right? Because a lot of projects follow Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is extremely bullish, projects that have large communities around it or great technology utility behind them, with a nice awareness around them, they start going crazy with Bitcoin, right? And Pepe is gonna follow, right? I'm telling you, Pepe is gonna be one of those ones as well. So a 10x, right? would be $5 billion in market cap. Again, that is light work because it already went to just under $2 billion in market cap. If you have $500 invested, you times that by 10, that's $5,000. You have $1,000 invested, you times that by 10, that's $10,000, guys. So right now, Pepe is sitting at $500 million in market cap. You get 100x on Pepe, right, from here. 100x is $50 billion in market cap, right? Which is not crazy if you think about it. I'm gonna show you guys a project real quick in the past, okay? They have this project right here that is a dogecoin that did very well for a lot of people, made a ton of millionaires, and made a lot of explosions, right? And went to, you know, it's not showing on CMC, but it went beyond this, right? Shiba went to around 50 to 60 billion dollars in market cap. It's not showing the accurate market cap on CMC, but again, that's pretty much basically 100x, right, for what Pepe could potentially do, because Shiba went to 50 to 60 billion dollars in market cap, you know, with like wicks and stuff like that, right? Because it on exchanges it wicked much higher than what CMC is showing. I realize when you go through CMC, it doesn't show like the exact wick to the upside. Like you could, if you have a sell order set on, you know, the wick of the upside, right, you could still get your order placed, right? So CMC doesn't really, or is super accurate with that. Neither is CoinGecko. But yeah, Pepe, Shiba went to all the way to 50 to 60 billion, right, on exchanges, right? And CMC showing 41 billion. But that would be 100x for Pepe, right? If Shiba Inu went to 50 billion, who's to say Pepe can't do the same thing? Who's to say that, right? This might just be the biggest bull cycle we ever see, ever, right? $500 times 100x, $50,000, right? $1,000 times 100x, $100,000 for Pepe, guys. And again, I wouldn't rule that out at all. If Shiba did it, and Shiba got so much hype around it, Shiba had so much hype around it. It was following Doge. Doge made a bunch of people millionaires. So it just, Shiba was at the right place at the right time because Doge was exploding. And then boom, we saw that huge explosion in Shiba. So Pepe, iconic meme. Everyone knows Pepe. Everyone's seen the meme already. It's pretty much buried into our subconscious, this meme, because we see the frog meme all the time. Since I got into crypto, even before I got into crypto, you saw the Pepe frog meme everywhere, right? So it is literally ingrained into our subconscious, man. And I'm telling you, going into the next bull cycle, when there's a ton of fresh money that comes into the space, when the overall crypto market cap is moving from 1.17 trillion to 2 to 3 trillion, right? 2 to 3x from here, it's going to be a huge explosion in Pepe, because a lot of retail investors, they love meme coins. They love meme coins. They could care less about a project's technology, utility, all of that, man. They just think about price go up. Can this make me money, right? And when they see Pepe make it, putting in huge green candles, there's just going to be a ton of retail FOMO into Pepe, pretty much similar to what happened back here, right? Ton of retail FOMO into Pepe. More tier 1 exchanges listing Pepe, Coinbase listing Pepe, Robinhood potentially listing Pepe as well. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be bonkers, and this is just the thesis that I have, right? So on 100x for Pepe from here, if not more, it could probably go to 100 billion in market cap, right? Let's see that. Let's see what that is like, right? 500 million. That is probably a 200x, right? 200x, 100 billion in market cap. Who's to say it can't do that, right? You just never know the future. So $500 invested times 200, $100,000 from $500. $1,000 invested times 200, $200,000 from here, guys. And I'm telling you, you know, that's not impossible for crypto. Crypto is insane, right? This is why we're not in the stock market. We're not in TradFi, because we know how insane crypto gets, right? So on the 7-day, we can see the move up in Pepe's price action, which is very nice, man. You know, that is very, very nice. On the 7-day chart, we can see this move up right here. And Pepe coin in the story of Wales from CoinTurk News. Pepe price prediction 100x potential right here, cryptonews.com. From the long-term support level, 100x potential. Pepe's coin surge 8%. Will it lead the meme coin race? Right? Pepe breaking out of a falling wedge on the moving average, the 50 moving average, signals bullish chart. Pepe, it's all about Pepe. Mr. Boomboy, I'm bullish on Pepe. Crypto nuclear. Expecting a move up for Pepe from here. Around what, a 2x from here for Pepe? I'm telling you. The goal, I wish people would buy it so it could go past Shiba, and I wouldn't rule that out. I really wouldn't rule that out, man. I really wouldn't rule that out at all. So we have the official Twitter right here, just under 420k followers on Twitter. Good morning, Pepe. We have Plasma, 385 new Pepe holders today. United we are strong, divided we fall apart. CPI numbers are lower than expected. Great news for rate cuts. Right, so you guys already know the reason why the market conditions last year were so terrible was because of the CPI inflation soaring through the roof, so they had to raise interest rates to bring down the inflation, and we're getting better and better CPI prints, which is great for the overall market, right? Pepe holders consistently growing. Calio, huge account. Calio, Pepe manifesting this, right? Huge account. Had people like KSI on his Twitter Spaces, 594k followers. I'm guessing he got a bag too. He knows what's gonna happen, right? he got a bag too. And you can see right here, there's a HTF breakout, then we range, and then boom, huge candle. HTF breakout, then we range. Are we gonna see huge candle once again? I think so. I think so, Pepe fam. Brakiza, truth is Pepe become what we want, and that's too strong. The fade, Pepe can flip everything until the top 5. Super iconic meme, man. Absolutely iconic meme. Like no other meme, you know, can beat it. No other meme can beat Pepe. Like no other fictional character can beat the Pepe frog. Like honestly, think about it. No other fictional character can beat the Pepe frog when it comes to memes, man. And that's what meme coins are founded on, right? The memes, being funny, having fun. And that's what the Pepe coins encapsulates, right? So like I said, guys, going into the bull cycle, you could potentially see 100x to 200x from here. That is my price prediction for Pepe. How much zeros would that be? That would be 2 zeros, because a 10x from here would be 1 0 eaten. 100x would be 2 zeros eaten. Who knows? We might even see 3 zeros, 1000x. You never know, man. You really never know. But 2 zeros and 2 zeros 2, around that. 2 zeros 3 4, right? Just around 2.5 zeros eaten, or 2.20 zeros eaten for Pepe. Something like that. Just to be on the conservative side. But 100x for Pepe, like I really think, yeah, that's pretty much secured, right? I really think 100x for Pepe would be like, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, but that would be something that I wouldn't be surprised if it happens, man. Because I really think when there's new money in the space, a lot of retail are just gonna FOMO into Pepe. I really do think so, man. So, Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video all over social media with your friends and family. Let's go viral. Take over the space together, spread awareness of Pepe. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. I'll catch you in the next one.